Hello guys, this is B16MCC from Dreamboxuk.com. This is the first of my video tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how to flash a new image to the DM500 using the web interface. As you can see, the box is powered up and currently in standby, just showing the clock there. If you have a look at what I've got connected on the back of the box, you'll see the coax coming in from the LNB. You'll see the custom DVI connector that goes to the HDMI to the TV. You'll see the USB pen drive there, just a little 2 gig drive I'm using. Over on the far left is the power supply, and right in the middle there, very importantly, that's the network connection, standard RJ45 Cat5 or Cat6 cable that goes to my router. Now it's very important to mention at this time that the router must be DHCP enabled. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pull out the power supply. There you go, obviously the box is dead now. Now the first thing to mention here, there's a built-in protection system on the power supply to the Dreambox, where if you reapply power too quickly, it just won't power up. So when you do this, you've got to wait something in the region of 20 or 30 seconds. So obviously the time it takes me to explain that, hopefully we should be able to go ahead and carry on now. So what I'm going to do is hold down the front button whilst I plug power back in. Okay, and you'll see that it says stop. When it says stop, you can let go. And hopefully what you'll see is, if I can just zoom in on that, my router, because it's DHCP enabled, has assigned an IP address to this box. That is essential for this method to work. If you don't see that IP address, then there's no point going any further. Okay, so once you've seen the IP address on the front display of the box, you can go ahead and type that into your web browser, and obviously there it is because I've done it before. Let that load up, and there you can see the bootloader web interface of my DM500. Down at the bottom you'll see 2 links, one of which is firmware upgrade. If you click that, you get a very simple page that asks you to select your NFI file. So if I go ahead and browse for that, find the file that I'm looking for. Dream Elite Black Hole DM500 version 1.3. Open. That takes me back to the page where we were before, and I simply click flash, and the browser's going to sit there for a couple of seconds. Now it looks like it's not doing anything, but actually what's happening is it's uploading that NFI file to your Dreambox. Once the upload is completed, it will actually report that it is now flashing the new image. So if it looks like there's no activity for a minute, just bear with it, and what you'll get is that. And as you can see, the flash is going through now, and if you like, you can just click reboot when finished. Obviously when it gets to 100% now, it'll automatically reboot the box, and that's it. That's a new image flashed using the web interface. Dead easy.